In a world that's constantly evolving, innovation is the key to unlock new possibilities. At Innovation Factory Indonesia, we're more than just a company. We're the catalyst for change. Our mission is to bridge the gap between entrepreneurs, innovators, corporations, and the government, nurturing a vibrant ecosystem to cultivate a supportive community that drives innovation. We are dedicated to support your transformative journey. Our extensive network offers a wealth of opportunities, connecting you with the key industry leaders and stakeholders, exploring potential investments to fuel your innovative ideas, discovering cutting-edge technologies that elevate your business, collaborating with innovators to co-create groundbreaking solutions, and navigating the Indonesian market with the guidance of our experts to provide you with valuable insights, connections, and support. Experience the power of innovation to grow your business and make a lasting impact on your industry and society. We believe that innovation is a journey, not a destination. We're committed in creating a dynamic and inspiring environment where ideas flourish and dreams become reality. Ready to innovate?